In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a website in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser. If you're on a desktop, you'll have the most space to work, which makes arranging elements easier. Once you're in, head to the Create a Design button and choose Website. This sets up a responsive website canvas designed to look good on different screens. Next, you'll decide whether to start from a template or from a blank design. Templates are great if you want a professional layout instantly. Browse by style or purpose, and pick something close to your vision. If you prefer total control, choose a blank site and build it from scratch. Either approach works. The key is clarity and consistency. Now, edit your pages, text, images, and links. For pages, make sure the order makes sense and the navigation is easy to understand. Keep headlines short and meaningful, and use subheadings to guide readers. Replace placeholder text with your own clear, helpful copy. For images, you can upload your own or choose from Canva's library. Pick visuals that reinforce your message and keep file sizes reasonable for fast loading. Add links to buttons, text, and images where appropriate. Link to your contact form, portfolio, or social profiles. As you adjust fonts and colors, stick to 2 or 3 complementary fonts and a simple color palette to ensure a cohesive look. Don't forget to check that every link works and that each page reads well on both desktop and mobile. When your design is ready, click Publish Website in the top right corner. This prepares your site to go live. Then go to the website option in the top right and select Settings. Here, set your page title and an SEO description if you want to improve how your site appears in search results and link previews. Keep the title concise and descriptive, and write a brief description that summarizes what visitors will find on your site. Click Continue, then Publish to push the site live. Canva will finish processing and give you access to your published website. Finally, click View Publish Site to open it in a new tab. Review the pages one more time to confirm everything looks right and behaves as expected. When you're satisfied, copy the URL and share it wherever you need, on social media, in emails, or embedded in your profiles. If you make updates later, republish so the latest version is visible. That's it. You've created and published a website in Canva quickly and cleanly.